Hey there, fellow adventurers, and welcome back to Top 7. Today we're diving into the world of luxury agriculture as we explore the top 7 most expensive crops in the world. These aren't your everyday fruits and veggies. These crops are prized for their rarity, flavor, and the intricate processes required to cultivate them. So without further ado, let's get right into our luxurious countdown. But first, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to join us on more fascinating explorations. Now, let's discover the 7 crops that are worth their weight in gold. Number 7, saffron. Starting off our list at number 7 is saffron, often referred to as the red gold. Grown primarily in Iran, India, and Spain, saffron is the world's most expensive spice, fetching up to $5,000 per kilogram. Why so pricey? It takes about 75,000 saffron crocus flowers to produce just 1 pound of saffron, with each flower hand-harvested and the delicate stigmas carefully dried. Its intense flavor, vibrant color, and medicinal properties make saffron a true treasure in the culinary world. Number 6, Mataki Mushrooms. At number 6, we have the elusive Mataki mushroom, a delicacy in Japan that can cost up to $1,000 per kilogram. These wild mushrooms are incredibly rare, as they only grow under specific conditions in forests across Japan, Korea, and a few other countries. Due to habitat loss and their unpredictable growth patterns, Mataki mushrooms have become one of the priciest fungi in the world. Their unique aroma and robust flavor are highly prized in traditional Japanese cuisine. Number 5, Kopi Lu Coffee. Coming in at number 5 is Kopi Lu, the world's most expensive coffee, hailing from Indonesia. This luxury brew can sell for up to $600 per kilogram, and it owes its high price to a rather unusual process. The coffee cherries are eaten by civet cats, fermented in their digestive systems, and then collected from their droppings. The beans are then processed and roasted, resulting in a smooth, rich flavor that coffee aficionados swear by. Despite its controversial production method, Kopi Lu remains one of the most sought-after coffees in the world. Number 4, Yubari King melons. At number 4, we head to Hokkaido, Japan, where the Yubari King melon reigns supreme. These perfectly round, sweet, and juicy melons are sold for jaw-dropping prices, sometimes reaching up to $45,000 for a pair at auction. Cultivated with meticulous care in temperature-controlled greenhouses, these melons are a symbol of luxury in Japan, often given as prestigious gifts. The combination of their exquisite taste and the craftsmanship involved in their cultivation makes Yubari King melons a true luxury crop. Number 3, vanilla. Claiming the 3rd spot on our list is vanilla, the 2nd most expensive spice in the world after saffron. High-quality vanilla beans can cost up to $600 per kilogram, with most of the world's supply coming from Madagascar and Tahiti. The labor-intensive process of hand-pollinating the vanilla orchids, combined with the long curing process, drives up the cost. Its rich, aromatic flavor is indispensable in both gourmet cooking and the fragrance industry, making vanilla one of the most coveted crops on the planet. Number 2, hop shoots. At number 2, we have hop shoots, the tender young tips of the hop plant, which can cost up to $1,000 per kilogram. Unlike the flowers used in brewing beer, hop shoots are a rare culinary delicacy. Harvested in the spring, these shoots are painstakingly gathered by hand, making them incredibly labor-intensive to produce. They have a unique, bitter flavor that's prized in high-end European cuisine, particularly in Belgium and Italy. Hop shoots are one of the world's most expensive vegetables, often featured in gourmet dishes. Number 1, wasabi. And now, claiming the top spot on our list is wasabi, often dubbed as the green gold. True wasabi, not to be confused with the horseradish-based paste commonly found outside Japan, can sell for up to $250 per kilogram. Grown in the cool, clear waters of Japanese mountain streams, wasabi is notoriously difficult to cultivate, requiring specific conditions and up to 2 years to mature. Its pungent, fresh flavor is a staple in Japanese cuisine, particularly with sushi. The rarity and challenges of growing wasabi make it the most expensive crop in the world. And there you have it, the top 7 most expensive crops in the world. Which of these luxurious crops surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of luxury.